Alright, I know what you're thinking. Another video in the freaking lawn chair? Hell yeah, another video in the lawn chair. Anyways, now, with the cowboy boots. Okay, Cleetus Mcfarland. You guys, if you guys don't know who that is, you're just, I'm sorry, you're just living in under a rock or something, because he's a crazy guy, I'll tell you what. But so I wanted to start this new series. I don't know if you guys like this or not, but I hope you will. I know a lot of you guys want to make channels, and all I do is watch YouTube. I see what different YouTubers are doing to pretty much push it to the next level, and I got a lot to say about Cleetus Mcfarland. Oh boy. So pretty much, Cleetus Mcfarland, he bases his channel off of drag racing. I wouldn't say that's the only thing he does, which is what I wanted to talk about. So Cleetus, he likes to do everything. I mean, he has a boat that has Mountain Dew on the freaking side of it. Isn't that, like, what is more American than that? Are you kidding me? Anyways, he obviously has that boat. He's had a mud truck. He just sold that to Whistling Diesel. You know, he has a razor. He does so many different things and creates content off that, so you're never bored. He got into drifting. He obviously does drag racing. He also hosts his own burnout events. Like that's freaking insane. Like, that's so cool. And that's probably one of the biggest things I want to get into. He bought an abandoned racetrack so he could restore it and bring all of his viewers over and watch him use his vehicles. Not only that, but some events you can even bring your own. And that is probably one of the smartest things you can do. Because once YouTube, kind of goes away, he still has that racetrack and he could be doing that for the rest of his life. That is the coolest thing. Another reason, he invites all these famous, NASCAR drivers, drifters, all these other YouTubers, tons of crazy people. He invites them over to his track, and they all drive with him. That is bringing more people into his channel and also to his racetrack, which is just, that is one of the smartest things I've ever seen in my life. So, I mean, you really can't top that. I haven't seen any other YouTuber that has done something like that. I know people are trying to, but he owns his own racetrack. It's right next to a drag strip too, so he could just do whatever the heck he wants. So he calls the racetrack the Freedom Factory, and I mean, the name is the most fitting thing I've ever heard. So he's obviously a Chevy guy. I mean, I'm a Ford guy, so yeah, we got a little bit of beef there. Just kidding. But I mean, he has a lot of cool stuff. I mean, he has a Crown Vic that's pushing like 900 horsepower or so, and he just does burnouts with it all day. He's got Leroy, which I actually just got a poster right here, signed by your boy Cleet. That's Leroy right there, and it was the first stick shift Corvette in the 7s, which is a super cool title. But yeah, anyways, he got a whole bunch of stuff like that. I mean, that's one of the smartest things. I really want to base my channel kind of similar to that. I like boats. I like aviation. I want to get into drifting. I'm not into it as much as I would like. I mean, I obviously do some, spin classes in the Mustang all the time, but I mean, I really want to get into a bunch of different stuff. I try to change my content up a little bit, so go down and hit that subscribe button if you want to see some of that. I mean, obviously I do funny skits. You guys just have to go check it out. I really want to try to make it very diverse. That way, it's not just the same thing every video. So that's what I'm working towards. But anyways, if you don't subscribe to Cleetus Mcfarland, go down in the description below. I'll tag his channel. You have to subscribe. I mean, come on. He's one of the craziest guys. Got his jacket, got his hat, obviously got that poster. He loves Mountain Dew. That should be a reason enough. I mean, are you kidding me? So, yeah, go subscribe to his channel. Go down and subscribe to mine. I will be big one day. Mark my word. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and stay tuned for more content. Thanks, you guys.